Hi friends, this is FirearmPop. Here today at the range, another gorgeous day just before the 4th of July weekend. Well, really it is the 4th of July weekend. But anyway, we're going to spend some time having some fun. And one of the things I wanted to do today and highlight is the EZ2C targets. This is one of the most highest selling targets he has. It's just great fun. It would be better if there was two people. Tried like heck to get a buddy to come shooting with me today, but that wasn't in the cards. So anyway, this target is called Shoot the Ships. Okay, what you can see is there's two groups of ships. One shot and each red dot sinks the ship, and the one who sinks all his opponent's ships wins the game. Anyway, be a lot of fun. I thought I'd practice with it. It's a nice small target. I'm going to be using my 22 rifle with the scope on it, so it should make it pretty easy to shoot. Well, we're here to have some fun and shoot some rounds, so let's get started.
They're already filled. I'd say just under 500. I think that's like 400. I'm not uptight about it. Dude, recheck and triple check everything. Screwed out of having fun today. Now we're so close to bringing 40.
Well, there you go. Let's go check the target. Well, as you can see, even at this range, didn't do too good. It would have been fun with some competition. Anyway, that's the way it goes. This is FirearmPop. I hope you had fun. Be safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.